Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. We are starting new Power BI batch from today. And to attend this Power BI batch, any people from any industry can come and learn. Clear? So any graduate, any year passed out, and easy to learn this course. No coding is required, and non-IT to IT people, many people are jumping because of salaries are more in the IT industry. So 20,000 people, 20,000 rupees per month earning people, they're able to get now 80,000 rupees per month, and they are from BA, BCom, B Pharmacy background, and a 2010 passed out, 2005 passed out. Okay, so like that. So yesterday, not only yesterday, just 1 week back, one guy from pharma industry, his name is Kumar. Pharma industry is having a sales experience of 10 years. Okay, he got a job in Power BI within a 2 to 3 months. Clear? So and is able to got 11 lakhs of salary package, 10 years of sales pharma experience. Now he put some 4.5 years of experience in Power BI. He got a job within a 1 month time. So because many people are saying no jobs in Power BI. So if you see YouTube and everything, everybody is saying no jobs in Power BI. That is true because people who are learning only Power BI will not get jobs anymore. Clear? So you have to learn not only Power BI, lot of other courses also you have to learn. We are teaching all the courses and the complete duration will be 2 months plus 1 month extra for the project and other courses. Minimum you have to spend 90 days of time. If you learn only Power BI, 10 days of SQL, 20 days of Power BI, all the people nowadays saying they are not getting calls because companies guys are asking more and more technologies, and these people are learning only Power BI. That too, with very basic stuff. People are learning in a Meerpad, and people are getting cheated. So that is not the right path. You will not be able to get the calls, and people are saying, "Sir, no jobs for Power BI." That is true because you don't know the much more technologies, and you will not be able to join with only Power BI. So what all you need to learn, and where all you need to learn, and everything I'm going to be discussing. There are plenty of Power BI jobs are available, but unfortunately, people are saying no Power BI jobs. What is the problem? Also, I'll tell you. Now, let me show you Naukri.com. Okay, let me show you. Let me open Chrome. You can also search. Okay, along with me, you can also search. So, let me open Chrome and let us go to Naukri.com. All these things you have to know. I'm saying Naukri jobs in Hyderabad. So let me open Naukri.com. Okay. And after going there, let me modify. So what is that I would like to modify? Power BI jobs. Okay. Power BI jobs or a Power BI developer. Location, let us say Hyderabad only as of now. Okay. And click on modify search. See, SharePoint Power BI developer. Okay. Now see what are they asking? What are the skills they're asking? Power Apps, PowerShell, Power BI, Power Automate, SharePoint, Power BI, communication. Now Power BI developer. Now see again what are they asking? They're asking Power BI, and this and I think this is same company. Forget about these companies and will come little bit down. So you ask 6 to 9 years, and 2 days back when it got posted. So SSIS is needed, and the consulting business analytics means Power BI senior developer. We are not senior developers. It is not for us, right? So we'll go for some Power BI developer. See what are they asking? SSIS, SSRS, SSIS, SQL, Power Pivot, Power BI desktop. This company is asking Silitas. And Power BI developer, 3 to 5 years of experience, and MS Power BI, SQL, Python, Power BI. Like that, the companies are asking much more skills. But unfortunately, the Amirpat industry, they're teaching only Power BI and they're saying that is what is enough. Okay? They're teaching only Microsoft Power BI. They're not teaching anything else. And they're saying that is itself is enough. Clear. But now you see they're asking Power BI, Azure, then SQL, data analysis, DAX. See, how many things are learning, but many people are getting cheated by learning only Power BI. If you learn only Power BI, you will not be able to get a job. But see how many jobs are available. People are saying, sir, no jobs are available. Jobs are available. Jobs are available. Power BI developer. See, what are they asking? Power BI. Oracle means SQL, and they need some cloud or Azure, right? Power BI developer, SSIS and SSAS, Power BI and SQL. So in Hyderabad itself, we have these many 2 to 7 years of experience. Power BI developer, Azure, SSIS and SSAS. You under check all these things. You check all these things. They're asking this one, this one, this one, this one, lot of other things. But only Power BI, if you learn and you don't learn all these things, will you be able to get a job? So these people are shouting in the mails and shouting in the social network saying that no jobs in Power BI, no jobs in Power BI, no jobs in Power BI, because they are learning only Power BI. So that is the issue. Now see, 2 to 7 years of people getting recruited is only Hyderabad. Now see, we are able to get so many jobs. See how many companies jobs are available. Accenture, these many jobs. We're getting thousands of jobs are available in Hyderabad itself. Clear? See, 3,000. How many jobs are available? 3,244 jobs are available only in Hyderabad and this one. So how many we are? We are only 50 people, right? So by the time you complete the course only in Hyderabad, now you go to Bangalore and check. You go to modify the search and go for Bangalore and do the search. So Bangalore, right? Bengaluru. Modify. How many jobs are available for Power BI? 7,791 jobs. You modify, you go to Pune, Chennai, right? So you go to Pune, Chennai, Power BI developer. There are 2,000 plus jobs are available. You can go, you can look for India, how many jobs are available. Like that, we are getting 22,392 results are available only in Naukri.com. Like that, we have Monster.com, Indeed.com, that.com, this.com. We have lots of jobs are available every day. You will see the numbers, right? So many people are not seeing this. And my friend told me he does not, he's not getting calls, he's not having jobs. The problem is not the calls. You have much more. How many jobs you need? Even though you have these many jobs, so these many jobs, these people are not ready to learn many technologies. If you learn only one technology, that is not sufficient. You need to learn much more technologies. You have much more jobs are available, but only remember, not only Power BI, you should compulsorily learn. You should compulsorily learn. What are the other technologies? Power BI you have to learn. SQL Server you have to learn. This is the basic for anything. If you wanted to come into IT industry, SQL is very, very important. Plus, Power BI is important that you have to learn. And one more course, we are also teaching this Azure. This is also very, very important course that you have to learn. Clear? Azure along with SSIS. Clear? If you learn only Power BI, then definitely you will not be able to get lot of jobs. And be clear. So SQL is important. Power BI is important, right? So Power BI is important. Azure is important, right? So DAX, anyhow, this is important. Like that, lot of things people have to learn. But unfortunately, these guys are getting, they see now SSIS people have to learn, right? So these are the technologies you have to learn, and you should be able to get lot of jobs in only Naukri.com. I had just shown you. Now open Monster.com. You open one more.com. Calls are more, but if you learn the proper things and with the proper gurus and proper trainers, right? If you approach brokers, they'll say you learn SQL Server for 10 days, you learn SQL Server for 20, in a Power BI for 20 days, 1 month, I will give you proxy, you will be able to get a job. That is impossible. Even though you get a job, after going to the company, you will not be able to do anything. Many people now getting caught. So after joining the company, they're telling, tell me about yourself, tell me about your project, or tell me what kind of an issues you got it. Can you tell me, can you open your mouth? What kind of a client, what kind of a this one, that one. These guys are approaching the brokers and they need everything to be done in 1 month because they don't have time. Even though they lost 5 years, they have 5 years of gap, 10 years of gap. These guys are not learning that skills properly. These guys need everything to be done in 1 month. So those guys are the guys who are always saying we don't have a jobs and this is not good, that is not good. So in a Power BI is good. My own family members are learning. In my family, there are some 16 to 20 people already joined the company. Right? I have started BA exposure in 2004 with MSBA. I started my career in year 2000. Year 2000 means almost 22 years I am in the IT industry. I am not a faculty directly. I was with the IT industry for almost 2022 plus years, right? I started my career with C, C++, Java, .NET initially. But in 2004, Microsoft released a beta version of MSBA. MSBA is launched in 2005. What is a BA? What is MSBA? What is Power BI? We'll discuss. Don't worry. But let me introduce myself. I have 22 years of experience, almost 17 years, completely experience into the MSBA. And Power BI started in 2005, 2015, almost 7 years old tool it is. Clear? So before that, Microsoft is released MSBA. So business intelligence, BA means what? And business intelligence. We'll understand what is a business intelligence, what is a data analytics, what is a data science. All of them will discuss. But I have put on my family members after their BTech. 2010 passed outs are there, 2012 passed outs are there. Immediately, that time I was teaching MSBA. So people, used to get a lot of, opportunities there. All the people have moved to MSB along with the Power Pay. But last 3 to 4 years, many non-IT people, started jumping into IT industry because of the COVID, because non-IT is not doing well. For example, in pharma industry or banking industry or some other teachers, salesmen or any operations guys are getting only 10,000, 20,000 because of less, the demand in those areas. So those people are started coming into IT industry. You can get easily job into IT industry. There is no problem. But the problem is these guys are not taking proper training. That is where the problem starts. These sales guys or the teachers or the women housewives and a 10 years of having gap. Okay, anybody, any graduate, any year passed out, doesn't matter. I had trained people 2005 passed out and BA Bachelor of Arts and BCom. One girl 2010 B Pharmacy and MPhil, PhD candidate. She got into one company now. So anybody can come into IT industry, no problem. One more thing, Power BI is no coding software, which is similar to Excel sheet. Or if you don't know anything also, you can come into Power BI. There is no problem at all. But only problem is if you don't approach right gurus, if you don't learn things properly, and simple things also will become complex, you can also get a job, but you have to resign the job or you have to come out from the job because you don't have the proper guidance, proper knowledge, and you're approaching the brokers. Clear? So that is not the right thing to do it. Clear? Never approach brokers. Never learn everything in 1 month. And not only learn Power BI, if you learn only Power BI, you don't have any calls. So that is what is the problem. Entire social, media is telling you don't have any calls only for Power BI. You have to learn some more things. You have to learn some more things. Clear? So what are the things that you have to learn? We will discuss very soon. Now, there are plenty of jobs are available in last 1 month from our institutions. At least some 20 to 12 people last week, and before that almost 22 people, okay, got jobs, and other people are saying we don't have jobs, and we are placing the our candidates. We are getting a lot of opportunities. We are not doing anything. Simply we are teaching them and we preparing a CV and we are telling the project, we are telling the interview questions and 3 months of training we are giving. That's it. So pharma girl is able to crack the interview on her own. There is no proxy. One pharma guy called Vishnu Kumar, I have uploaded a success story on YouTube. You can go to Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel and there is success story. He got 11.5 lakhs of salary package. He was talking in that video. You just watch. You can go to YouTube and Bhaskar Jogi channel, right? So people are getting a lot of offers, even though they're coming from non-IT and 10 years of experience in the sales and marketing. And we are able to help them. Help them means we're starting from very, very basic level to advanced level of training. We are not brokers. We are completely gurus or mentors. Clear? If you have a guru or a mentor, you can be anything. You can be BCom guy. You don't know proper English. Like English right? But you don't have proper, support. Nobody in your family, who can support you. So we are there to support you. We can give you complete guidance. I can give you complete guidance support. Many people need guidance, and many people need from basic level to advanced level. Clear? So, get the things done. If you don't have a proper Rajamoulis behind your scenes, getting into the IT industry is very, very difficult. Otherwise, what will happen? Everybody will have a story. Everybody will go for a cinema. But how many cinemas will become, popular? You tell me. Everybody says cinema industry is a bad industry. You don't get much more, hits. But if you ask Rajamouli or Puri Jagannath, and they have only hits. The problem is not with the cinema industry. The problem is what kind of a directors you have. So behind the scenes, what kind of a directors you have taken. So choosing the right guru is important. You don't take any guru. So any guru means you can also go to YouTube and learn Power BI, right? Why are you not learning? If you're learning like that, then definitely nothing is going to be happening, right? So if you don't have the proper guru, you cannot expect 100% results. But in my classes, 100%, not 99.99 also, right? So 100% you will be able to get the job within three months of the dedicated training. We are going to be covering lot of technologies. Whatever the industry asking, that technologies we are covering. So be ready for it. So to learn MSBA, what is that you should know? Sir, what is the eligibility to learn, Power BI, or not MSB? To learn Power BI, what is the eligibility? Eligibility, nothing. You should know how to operate a computer. And if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you're eligible for Power BI. Remember, Power BI is very easy. You need nothing to learn Power BI. That is what. To learn Power BI I'm talking about. But to get a job, that is different story. To get a job, different story. But to learn Power BI, anybody can learn. Even you can learn, your mother can learn, your father can learn, your child can learn. Power BI is a very, very easy software tool. Anybody can learn. So what is that eligibility? If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. So Power BI is a 45 days course. Clear? But to learn Power BI, nothing is required. But to get into IT industry, only Power BI is not enough. Clear? So before going into that, now, so students details are required. Fill the form. When you fill this form, I'm giving you in the chart window, guys. So once again, I'm giving you in the chart window. This form, you have to fill this. If you're not able to get this form in the chat window, write me email. Go online.bhaskar@gmail.com, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com, saying that, sir, send me the form. I will be able to, uh, give this form. So that you need to fill this form. So what is that you need to give in this form? Email address, full name with surname according to Aadhaar card, PAN card, whatever it is. Location means a city. If you're in India, write India, or other, or your district, mandal, some don't write your village names. We don't understand. At least the popular Vijayawada, Vizag, something like this, right? Srikakulam, like that. Okay. If you're out of country, write the country name so that we can understand, not the city names, country name, your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, and course details, Power BI you mention, and May 2 and don't click don't forget to subscribe. So you need to subscribe this so that all the data will be captured, and the people who are filling this, they will get the discounted price. Okay, they will be able to get the discounted price. And the demos are totally three demos: today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Same meeting ID you need to attend, and completely demos are free. So you have to make the payment in the fourth day, not now. And in the third day, the fees details and discounts will be given. So all of them you will be able to get a separate, the communication. But don't ask me fees details and everything now, because today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 days, same meeting ID, and it is free. You can attend peacefully. And the third day, my team is going to be sending the payment links and everything. And the fourth class onwards, you can join and you can continue further. Clear? So this form, when you fill it up, you will be able to get a discounted price, and you can also fill your friends data. If they're not able to attend, still they wanted to get enrolled for this batch, means you can also fill your data from the from your friends also, so that they will also get the discounts. If they fill the form afterwards, then they don't get the discounts, because during the training program only you need to fill, right? So if you fill this form later, then we think that you did not attend the demo. So people who are attending demo only gets a discounts. Clear? So that is what is the thing. So you will be able to get the discounted price on the fourth day. And if you still wanted to reach us, so I have given my mail ID. And apart from that, you can reach goonline.madhav and operations team heads. Okay, goonline.avinash@gmail.com. You can also reach them, and these are the numbers. Take a screenshot and you can call them if you need any kind of assistance, right? So who can attend Power BI? Any graduate, any year passed out, BA, BCom, even diploma candidates also can attend. BA, BCom, B Pharmacy, MCom, M Pharmacy, or BTech Civil, this one, that one, 2005 passed out, 6 passed out, any year passed out. Don't ask me, sir, I am 2002 passed out, 2003 passed out, chalega, no problem. Clear? So easy to learn, no coding, especially non-IT people who are earning only 20,000 rupees per month, 10,000 rupees per month. They are not getting proper guidance. So all the people can easily come into IT industry, and they can easily jumping into IT industry, Nana. So which is a hot skill, and placements and job support also will be given by us. So you should not be worried about anything. Only concentrate on the learning. Clear? Now, so we are also placing freshers, and if you have any family members, only BTech freshers, not BCom fresher and MCom fresher, and BTechs, right? MTech. A lot of fresher jobs are available. 2019 is also not more now. Now people are asking for 2020 onwards. So only for the BTechs, some companies are taking BTech, BE, BTech Civil also, but majority companies are not taking BE, BTech Civil, but mechanical other branches chalega. Okay, clear? So HCL, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, and Tech Mahindra, lot of companies are giving. If you need a support as a fresher job, if you have any family member or a friend, you can ask to reach Mr. Madhav 93981. Mr. Madhav 93981, so 18506. Go online.madhav. So he's the guy is taking care of freshers recruitment, and ask them to send the CV to this WhatsApp number. Clear? So job guidance not only for the Power BI in India, we are also giving placements for MSB, AWS, DevOps, Selenium testing, Azure. You can reach out to Madhav for the placements and everything. Clear? So this course anyone can learn. Hard skill to get into IT industry. High salary is paid. What is the salary you can expect? If you have a 3 years of experience, you can expect a minimum 10 to 15 lakhs. Okay. So 10 to 15 lakhs of salary you can you can get minimum. So no coding is required. 45 hours Power BI training daily, 1 hour. Monday to Friday only. We don't have class on Saturday and Sunday. Don't ask me also. So no classes on Saturday and Sundays. No classes on public holidays. For example, Independence Day, Ramzan Day, Christmas Day, and we don't have the classes on the public holidays as well. So Monday to Friday, the morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. this class is going to run. Daily recorded videos I'm going to be giving it to you are shared. So you should not be worried about, sir, one day I'm absent. What is happened yesterday? I wanted to know. So don't worry. Daily videos are uploaded and a link will be given. So you will be able to get a today's video also after 12 o'clock. You will be able to get a mail so that you can also watch the video. Clear? So daily videos are going to be posted, real-time topics are going to be discussed, and sample CVs I'm going to be giving it to you. CV preparation is included, guidance is given, online lab support is given. We create a Telegram group officially, and you can also ask your questions and everything in the Telegram group. Interview questions are going to be discussed in the class. 80% of the interview questions are from our topics only. You apply for a job, then after getting a job, you call me and tell me, how many percentage of interview questions you got it. Especially, you need not go to any other YouTube channel. 80 to 90% interview questions I'm going to be covering as part of this daily classes. Placement assistance is provided, support across India. So if you need a job, 100% job support can be given. So 100% placement also you will be able to get it. But only thing is that you have to put the dedication. Daily minimum 2 hours or 3 hours of practice has to be there. You have to have the laptop or the desktop. Without a laptop, you cannot become a software engineer or a BA developer. You will not be able to get a job in the IT industry. Don't ask me, sir, should I buy a laptop? Sir, you want me to have a laptop? Yes. Without a laptop or a desktop, you cannot learn any software course. Clear? So it is very simple. So you are able to learn, WhatsApp, right? You are able to learn Instagram. You are able to learn Power BI like that only. Power BI is not very complicated tool. However, you are able to use WhatsApp. However, you are able to use Facebook. However, you are able to use Instagram. The same way we can also use Power BI. Clear? Power BI is similar to Excel. You need not know Excel. Excel is not needed to learn Power BI. To learn Power BI, nothing is needed. But you need to learn some more things to get a job, to be there in the IT industry for another decade or 2 decades. If you wanted to be there in the IT industry for next 20 years, definitely you have to learn some more things. Minimum 3 months time, you have to be with me. If you don't have a time, then definitely you can disconnect now, because within 1 month, nothing can happen. If you need a broker, I'm not a broker. If you need a broker can tell you, I can teach you everything in 5 days. You will get a job, pay me 3 lakhs. Now you go. So all the people will pay, and these people will lose the jobs tomorrow. The broker will become very, very rich. Right? So you're simply wasting your money in the broker's hand. That is not is going to be happening. Very few people can sustain. I had seen 100%, 100 people go, 90 people will come out from the brokers, because they'll say that is not my fault. We taught you everything. That guy is still there. You only came out. That is your problem. That is not my problem. So no amount is refunded. So nothing will be taken. And they say companies are now getting opened. You pay, because they need your money. If the companies are getting opened, what is the problem? If you have the subject, you will not come out, right? So my students, joined Cognizant and Capgemini. They're still there. So in that same team, there are many people have joined with the brokers' hands. All the people have gone out. My students will call me and tell me, sir, 2 people lost the job, 3 people lost the job, because they don't know anything, sir. We have learned so many things. Now I'm able to be there in the same team. Other people are joining and going, sir, because they don't have any training, and they're simply coming from broker's hand. So if you're with the brokers, end of the day, you lose nothing, because company needs your support, and you're not able to open your mouth, you're not able to say anything. Then what is that you do after going company? Dance or yoga? Nothing can happen. So don't approach brokers. Okay, if you say that I can give you a job, means I can challenge him, I can also give you a job, right? So I can also give you the job, and if he's not able to give you the job, if your brother says I can show you job, I am also a brother, I can also show you the job, right? Many of my people with a 12,000 rupees earning guy today earning 25 lakhs within 3 to 4 years, right? People from BA, BCom background got into Cognizant and Capgemini. 2002 passed out guys, never worked for any IT industry. They got into IT industry, right? With 15 lakhs of salary package. And one guy is earning only, 14,000 rupees per month last year. That guy is earning 9.6 lakhs today. Many non-IT people, especially people who do not know any coding, many people are working as BPO, call center, night shift, recruiter, teacher. Many people are housewives for 10, 15 years, right? But they wanted to come into IT industry. So people are not learning properly. The problem is they don't have a guidance, and they are also in the broker's hand. They are not learning the proper things clearly. That is where the issue starts. IT industry needs more people, but the supply is completely bad quality of supply. So you are getting cheated by the brokers. Never go with the brokers. You go with the brokers after learning the training. If you wanted to still go as a backdoor job, you can go, but learn the training first with the proper trainers, proper gurus, proper mentors, and you try on your own. If nothing works out, anyhow you have a broker every time, right? So before COVID, after COVID, during the COVID, every time brokers have to be there, right? They're there. They can help you if you wanted to go, but learn everything and go. But don't get cheated by lot learning, and not learning from the basic to advanced level, guys. Clear? If somebody is saying I can teach you everything in 10 days, 15 days, means he is going to take your money because he needs your money. He doesn't want to wait for 3 months to get your money. He needs your money. That is the meaning. If somebody is saying companies are opening, you get ready because after that you don't get a job, that means he wanted to have your money immediately so that he can enjoy your money. So never take your money, even though he's a cousin, his brother, is a friend, thickest friend. Or many people have cheated by friends only. Many people have cheated by cousins, right? So I can tell you lot of stories because I'll be training every month 500 to 1,000 people. 4 5 batches I'll be there. I'll be teaching many people. They'll call me. They'll explain their stories, right? So who can learn Power BI? Any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed out. And don't ask me, sir, I'm 2004 passed out. Don't ask me any year means. I know that you're passed out of 2002 or 2010 or 2012. Teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking professionals, insurance, anybody is not getting a good salary, is not happy about his salary, those people can now look for a job in IT industry. There is a saying, if you don't get a job elsewhere, you can easily get a job in IT industry, but you need to have proper knowledge. If you're not able to crack RRB examination, if you're not able to crack groups, if you're not able to pass in SI and medical tests because you're not able to run, if you don't get selected, you have one industry, you learn the proper course for 3 to 4 months, you will get a major salary. As SI is earning 20,000 salary, you can earn more than crore if you get opportunities in UK and London. So my people who are earning 6 lakhs now, they're in London and other countries, they're earning more than 1.5 crore, right? So per annum. So BA, BSc, BCom, BPharmacy, MPharmacy, diploma guys also can come into IT industry. Open university people, open, sir, Ambedkar Open University. Sir, I don't have, intermediate. I have done 10th class plus, only degree. I don't have intermediate. No problem. I can help you. Okay? So lot of companies are giving you opportunities, and who do not have proper degrees and everything, they don't need your degrees. They need your skills. No companies need certifications today. They need your skills. If you're having only certification, I am a BTech guy. Certification cannot get you a job. Your skill can get the job. So don't worry about the certificates. BTech all branches, including civil, mechanical. One 2000 guy from Visakhapatnam, he approached me, sir. I wanted to go into IT industry. I have almost 10 years of 2019. He approached me. I have 10 years of civil background. Can I get a job? Why not? he completed the course and he failed for 10 interviews. 11th interview, I got a call, sir, I am successful. I got one salary, one company in Visakhapatnam, 15 lakhs of salary package. That guy is, he completed almost 1 year with the same company. B.Tech guys and civil industry, 10 years of civil experience, learned course, and he applied 3 to 4 years of experience only. Remaining, he showed completely my core industry, sir. I never worked for this, but in my industry, I used to create a lot of reports for the civil company. I used to create mine is construction company. I used to create a lot of reports being a manager. And now that is how he shifted first 6 years completely into core, and last 4 years completely creating a lot of reports. I got a executive designation. I am a sales. I got a designation. I used to create a lot of reports. That is how I learned Power BI. That guy got 15 lakh of salary package. Now people are so can get it. So what is not important? Okay, what is not important? Starting point is not important. You could be a salesman, you could be a housewife, you could be a coming from small village. That is not important. What is important? What is that you have achieved? Abraham Lincoln became a was a shoemaker, became a president of India. Modi was a chai, wala, now it is the president of India. So I always say, starting point is not so important. Sir, I have 10 years of gap. Sir, I don't know I don't know English. Nobody is helping me, sir. I don't have a proper guidance. I'm a sales guy, sir, earning only 20,000 rupees. My salary is not increased in 10 years. I'm getting only 10 lakhs of salary package. 3 years, fake guys are getting 10 lakhs in IT industry. 3 years, guys are getting 10 lakhs of package. If you're still having a 10 lakhs of package with 10 years means there is no growth. You have to come out from that industry. Already you have job A, why can't you try in job B? So you have already something, right? You need to try in some in the route B, so that you will be able to get success in the route B. The 10 lakh salary wala will get within a 2 to 3 years 25 30 lakh salary, because of the proper guidance. Plan A, already you have it. Plan B, you should start slowly. Plan B, right? Plan A, what is plan A? 20,000 rupees are earning. That is plan A is going on. You're able to do something, but you are not happy with the training. Then plan B started. Daily morning get up, practice, listen to Bhaskar sir, stories and reviews, and practice, practice, practice. You should not say that you're doing all of them, because people see your actions, not your thoughts. I've joined Power B, or I've joined this. Don't tell. You simply get up and practice with the 2 to 3 months and show with the offer. This is the offer I got it, and this is where I got the training. Right? So that is how you have to have the plan A is already working for you, but the plan A where you don't have a job or you're getting a less salary, nobody is there to support you. Lot of training institutions are there. They will only teach and leave you. But here we are going to be taking care of you till you get placed. Till you get placed, and after getting placed also, we are there to support you. That is how we have created a brand. Clear? We have created a brand, and we will be able to support you for the placements and everything. Only you have to be worried about the learning, nothing. Learning, 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 learning. Clear? So nothing else. So what all you have to learn, that is what is the interview point of view. So many people will say, sir, I learn Power BI, I learn SQL Server, can I get a job? 100% you don't get a job. Clear? So just now I have opened Naukri.com and show you how many companies are asking. What are they asking? I had shown it to you, right? So they're asking lot of things. Let me show you those things once again. Many companies are asking not only one technology. So couple of technologies they're asking. So compulsorily you must learn compulsorily what? SQL Server. SQL is compulsorily. Not only you. Tomorrow, sir, my friend is learning Java, so he needs SQL Server. My friend is learning Android, he needs SQL Server. My friend is learning Tableau, he needs SQL Server. SQL is important for anybody, not 10 days course. We are going to be giving you 2 months course. Clear? So 2 months course. Unfortunately, we don't have no live. You have to buy videos and practice. Clear? So 45 videos, 1 hour videos will be given. So 1 hour videos, how many days videos will be given? 45 days. So in this you have two modules, SQL module. SQL means basic. What is SQL? You will understand there. The second module is called TSQL, Transact SQL. This is advanced module. Okay, advanced SQL. So these three things you have to learn compulsorily. Clear? So this will be 30 videos, 30 days. This will be another, I think 15-20 videos. I don't remember, but approximately 45 videos. Each video is 1 hour. So how to watch this video? So daily 1 hour video, don't watch continuously. 15 minutes only you watch and you give a break. Again, you watch 15 minutes, you give a break and write the notes. 15 minutes you watch and you, oh, if you don't have mood, close. And evening 6 o'clock, you come and open once again. Like that, morning some 10 15 minutes, like that. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Morning 2 times and afternoon 1 time and evening 1 time. Total 4 times. 1 hour video. Running notes you need to write. Okay, you have to buy paper and pen, compulsorily write the note. And these videos are available in which language? English language. You can buy the videos and you can also buy videos in Telugu. Clear? Don't tell me, sir, I know in BTech I have studied SQL. Sir, in YouTube I had seen. Sir, I have learnt in somewhere. I mean, repeat. Those are useless. Those are useless. You compare my videos and that video, you will get ashamed of your knowledge only. Okay, so if you already know English, if you already know SQL, already learned, that is not enough, because here we are going to start from very, very basic level. Any non-IT people, BA guy, BCom guy can understand these videos. That is how I started teaching. Telugu videos are available and you have to compulsorily buy this one, and you need to start learning every day one video without fail. So this is the one. The next course, live classes, Power BI, right? Power BI DAX. This will be 45 days closer. So this will go in the morning, or you have a live classes here, right? So live classes are going to happen. For this you need to attend live classes, and if you have any doubts in SQL Server, next day in the Power BI live classes you need to ask the questions. I'll give you half an hour time to ask the questions of Power BI and SQL Server. Next day you should be able to ask. Clear? So this will be there. So these are the two courses you have to enroll. Okay, so 2 months you are busy with only this. What are the courses? May and June 2022. Don't say anything. You have to learn this one. Video based training you have to enroll separately, and this is the Power BI DAX 45 days of training live classes, morning 8 a.m. These classes IST. IST means what? Indian Standard Timing. Clear? So these two things can happen. 45 days, 1.5 months. But Saturday, Sunday, everything will be there. Minimum, you will have to complete only these two courses. This is a separate course and this is a separate course. You need to tell them at the time of making the payment. You need Telugu videos or English videos. Clear? So one video, either this or this, both of them will not be given. You will be having Telugu explanation. Notes will be in English. అర్థమవుతుందా? తెలుగులోనే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ నోట్స్ అంతా ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. క్లియర్? సో పవర్ బిఐ completely now English is going on, but if you need a Telugu, already Telugu videos also available. You can just approach my team. Sir, I will attend this batch, but I need a Power BI, some other Telugu batch. If you need it, you can also ask and get the suggestion. Clear? So these two things have to happen. But if you learn only Power BI, will you get a job? Answer is no. The next month, in the month of July, you have to plan for one is called SSIS and Azure trainings. This will be for 25 days. Okay. Again, if you wanted to take live classes, you can take, or you can also buy videos and practice. This is also must. Clear? So this is also must. And in this, we are also having data warehousing concept. We are also having tabular model cube, right? So this is what is called SSAs. So everything is going to be covered in this. Everything is going to be covered. When you make the Power BI payment, all of them will get covered. See how many trainings you're having. So SQL Server 45 days, Power BI DAX and everything. This is for the 45 days. You have to complete them. Then compulsorily Azure. Azure means here ADF, Azure Data Factory. So these are non-coding tools. All of them are non-coding tools. Only coding, that is also the 20% of the coding will be here. So coding in which SQL Server, Power BI, DAX, data warehousing, tabular model cube, Azure ADF, Azure Data Factory. So SSIS, all these are non-coding softwares only. Anybody can learn. So that is what in the month of July itself. So we'll have CV preparation and one project is included. One project is included. Free project will be given. CV preparation will be done. Interview questions are going to be given, right? And if you need documents and whatever you want to have it, everything we are going to be providing, and you are going to be uploading your CV at the month of July. And July last week, you're almost ready. You should be able to crack the interviews. If you fail five interviews, if you fail in the five interviews, and the sixth or seventh interview will be yours. Clear? So give the five interviews. 80% of the interview questions are going to be cracked. 80% of the interviews can be cracked with the help of my subject only. You need not prepare anything. You need not prepare anything. You can talk to my existing people who are already working in the IT companies. I will call them. I will call them to this live batch, so they will be able to tell you their experience, how they cracked the interview, right? So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll call one guy. Got recently a job, so I just 1 month back only is joined. So I'll invite those guys. You can also ask, how they have transformed from pharma industry to IT industry, how they're able to get 11 lakh salary package, how they're able to crack without zero knowledge of IT industry. One BA girl got a job in Capgemini with nothing, right? So one 2005 guy from Gunturu is BA journalism. That guy got into a job cognizant with 9.6 lakhs of package. He was working as a data entry operator, getting only 18,000 rupees per month. 2005 passed. How these people have cracked the interview, how successfully they're able to, they're in the IT industry, how they're able to, go. And I'll invite them for the live classes. You can also talk to them, and you can also ask questions. How did they prepare? How did they do well? They say, sir, many times we have attended a lot of Ameripad training, sir. Every time I got cheated. I got cheated. They don't teach, they don't give guidance, they don't give you nothing. Simply they take your money. Even though we are ready to pay money, but those people are completely cheating. So that is how the feedback I got it from them. Clear? So these are the things that you have to learn. So you will be able to get all of them. All of them. It is not rocket science, but only thing is that proper guidance you don't get it. So people will say, learn Power BI in 20 days. And we are teaching almost 45 days. They say, learn SQL Server in 10 days. Or we'll teach you weekend. One day, say SQL, one day T-SQL, 2 days. Saturday and Sunday, you will get a job. They don't get a job. They need your money. They need my money. They will say companies are getting opened. I will tell you one good news. Okay, many companies are giving lifetime work from home facility. Remember this. I'll tell you good news. Many companies are giving lifetime work from home facility. My students, last month one guy got a job. His name is Vijay Kumar from Krishna district. He got a company from Pune. Guys told HR told lifetime work from facility. Already that guy an offer. One more girl from Vizag, Monica, she got an offer, lifetime work from home facility. She got a job in Chennai. Now she is enjoying everything from Visakhapatnam. She's doing from Vizag. Last 6 months she's working for Vizag. I will also invite to this live classes so that you can talk to her. So she's from 2012 passed out, BTech Mechanical, working for a college. In the COVID, she earlier she was getting 18,000 rupees month. There in the COVID period only she got 6 to 9,000 rupees per month. Then she left the job and came for online classes. Now she got a job with a 12 lakhs of salary package and lifetime work from home facility. You should not be worried at all. Companies are inviting, that is fine. If you wanted to get a lifetime work from facility, many companies are giving. If you read Mr. Rajanna, HR head of TCS, he says 100% people in the company, nothing is going to come like that. Nowhere before covid things can happen. Only 20-30% employee will be there in the companies. 100% employees need not come to the company. TCS Rajanna is saying like that. You read YouTube articles by TCS Rajanna. He's head of TCS. This is a bigger company in India, so he's only saying, I'm not saying. Now somebody else is, somebody told, who somebody? You need to say somebody who told that. Rajanna is the guy. He's saying, somebody saying don't have a job. So who is that somebody? Yeah, you don't believe in yours. You need to take the words from the authorities. So Rajanna is authority from the TCS. He can say what is the companies are approaching, what is the company planning to have. Clear? So many companies are giving like that, utilizes opportunities. So tomorrow I'm going to be discussing completely technical things. I'll talk about tomorrow what is data, what is business intelligence, what do you mean by information, right? What is the meaning of data analytics, right? And what is a data analytics and business intelligence? What is data science, right? What is called data mining, right? And lot of things. What is ETL? What is Power BI? What is MSBA? MSBA is having three tools: SSIS, SSAS, and SSRS. What are they? This is started by Microsoft in 2005, and later Microsoft released a advanced tool, okay, called Power BI. Power BI got released in 2015. Clear? And it is rocking. But only if you learn Power BI, you don't get the job. You have to learn a DAX. What is a DAX? We'll discuss. You have to learn data warehousing. You have to learn SSIS. SSIS from where? This one. We are going to be learning SSAS also, right? And we are also talking about cloud computations. Okay, cloud means here I'm talking about Azure and Azure Data Factory. Okay, so all of them the companies are asking today ADF. Clear? So all these are very important, and you should also learn what is SQL, or people will say database, or people will say RDBMS. And this is also very important, SQL Server, or people also will say Oracle. All of them are the same. Tomorrow we'll discuss about all these things. Clear? Completely technical things we're going to be discussing tomorrow. What is the data analytics? What is the business intelligence? What is data? What is storing? What is this? What is that? And tomorrow, demo number 2. Day after tomorrow, demo number 3. Three demos are free. You must attend tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Completely technical things. Today I have spoken about only general things. Okay. So anybody can come into IT industry, but if you have a proper mentor and guru, if you simply buy some videos and learning on your means, nothing can happen. Why Chiranjeevi has to go to Rajamouli for his son? Chiranjeevi also there in the industry for 40 years. Can't he do the direction? Nothing. So even though your brother is there in the IT industry, he cannot give you complete 100% guidance. So definitely you have to have separate coaches, separate mentors you need to take, not your brother, not your friend. Yeah, your brother may be Rajamouli, but if you have a proper Rajamoulis and other people, definitely they can shape your life. Okay. So we are helping a lot of village people. We're helping a lot of village people, lot of housewives to get into IT industry. utilize this platform to get into IT industry. If you're getting only 20,000 rupees per month, 10,000 rupees per month, definitely you can get 100% placement in the IT industry. If you don't get a job, you ask me after the training. Okay, 3 months of training, because 2 months 2 months you will be learning SQL Server and Power BI, and July month you will be learning SSIS and Azure. It is from MSBA. Then you are ready after third month. Then we have everything will be given. So this is a 90 days course, not 1 month course. Everything you must learn. There is no deduction. There is no discount on the learning. Clear? So that is for sure. And you will be able to get a lot of job opportunities. You go and look for naukri.com, how many jobs are there and what are they're asking a lot of other technologies. All of them we cannot learn, but these are the minimum things that you have to learn. These are the minimum things that you have to learn: Azure, SSIS, Power BI, DAX, data warehousing, SQL Server. These are compulsorily, not basic to advanced level. We are going to be teaching. Now we have live classes and we have video classes. Compulsorily, first 2 months you have to make the payment only for this, and in the month of July you have to make the payment for this and continue either live classes or the videos compulsorily without fail. Clear? So you need to make the payment not today. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, completely demos are free. Tomorrow, completely technical things we'll discuss. Clear? So don't worry about, sir, currently I'm working. So you want me to resign? 100% you resign. I'm telling you right away. Sir, I have a financial problem. Then don't resign. Sir, I don't have any financial problem, but I wanted to completely work on this. Then I'm saying you resign. You resign and come out. If you have a PF account, don't close it. If you have a PF account, even though your salary is 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, don't close the PF account. Your designation could be anything. Don't worry about it. You use the PF account. We have to use that PF account to get a job. Never close any PF accounts. I will tell you how to use it. If you don't have a PF account, you never worked anywhere, no problem. Okay, that one I will take. I will tell you later how to do that. Completely CV preparation, everything I'm helping you. You have to learn. Right? So I have a 10 years of gap. I'm a BCom girl, sir. I have this one, that one. Don't ask me all these questions, because I told you everybody can come into IT industry. Right? But if you have a proper learning approach and a proper gurus and proper directions, if you don't have that, then don't come to me. Sir, yesterday I did not attend. Sir, I'm not well. If you're not well, you can join at least next batch. We have evening batches going on, morning batches going on. If you're not able to continue in this batch, 6 months validity will be there for the live classes. You can batch next month also, or another month also you can join, because the 6 months validity will be there. You can join. If you're not able to attend one day, daily videos are going to come. So what is the problem? So we are helping each and everything. Complex case studies we are giving, complex projects we are giving, complex interview questions we are teaching, very basic level to advanced level I'm giving. What else you need? You ask something, I'm giving. You compare our syllabus with any syllabus. You take big companies like Unacademy, Intel Path, Unacademy. You take Udemy videos. You compare our syllabus with their syllabus, you'll go mad. So we are going to start from very basic level to advanced level, and very cheaper. When you compare with Unacademy, 65,000 rupees, 70,000 rupees they are charging. We are not even off. We are going to charge one third of that amount only, very cheap. And when you compare with other technologies, you go to Unacademy. My friend's wife has taken unknowingly. She paid some 65,000, 75,000 rupees for Unacademy lessons for data analytics with Power BI. She could understand nothing. Then she joined. When she was saying, when I comparing that classes and this classes, she is saying she's so happy. Now she's an MBA and a 2008 passed out girl. Clear? Two kids, and she was working as a this one medical coding job, earning only some 25,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees, medical coding. And she used to hate her job. Now she's taking the training. and slowly she will appear for the interviews very soon as well. So people are moving, but proper approach, proper guidance will take you to the next level, guys. Clear? So tomorrow we'll continue with the same meeting ID. So these are the things that we are going to be learning, and the minimum salary you can expect for the 3.5 years experience, minimum 10 to 12 lakhs of salary package the IT companies are offering, 80K to 1 lakh per month you will be able to get it. So these are the things that you have to plan. Okay, May and June, SQL Server and Power BI with DAX data warehousing, SSIS is Azure 1 month, 25 days in July, and July CV preparation and upload, July end. So this is how the complete schedule will be. And first we have to make the payment only for the SQL Server and Power BI, SQL Server videos, Power BI live classes. So the payment details and everything will come after third demo. So today is first demo, tomorrow second, day after tomorrow third. That meeting ID is the same for 3 classes free. You can continue same timing and we'll continue further. If you need, so everybody has to fill this form, guys. I have already given. So you will get the discounted price when you fill this form. And if you don't get this form, and you can just mail me asking for the student form. So these are the details you need to fill it up. So your mail address, full name with the surname, as per your Aadhaar card, your city, phone number, Power BA, May 2nd. Clear? So you need to subscribe. So when you fill the form, you will be able to get the discounted price. So thank you, guys. I'll take your questions now. So let me unmute you. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. This is
Yeah.
Pratyusha from Hyderabad.
Mm.
Sir, I want to know actually, I'm working for engineering college from past 10 years.
Yeah.
I want to shift my career to IT sector.
Yes.
I don't have any PF account currently, sir. Is there be any problem if I go to the IT sector?
100% no problem at all. Minimum 3 to 4 years of experience, you can have it. You will be learning not only the theory, but also end-to-end complete project also, you will be having one free project, one paid project also will be there. You will be easily get into IT industry, sustain. Yeah, I'll help you. Okay? Yeah.
You will be helping in creating CV also, sir.
Yeah, everything I can do it. Okay. Only you need to give
Payment
the interviews. Everything I'll be taking care. Okay.
charges related to that will be shared by
Free,
us,
free,
sir.
free. The charge is free. No. CV preparation, everything will be free. Job support is compulsorily free. We don't take CV preparation any extra amount. Nothing. Okay. Yeah.
Hi, sir, this is Suresh.
Yeah.
Like, can we get job vacancy notifications from Go Online after
Yeah.
completion of
If you need, we are going to be putting in our portal. You can visit that portal, or we will be putting in a Telegram group. We will be creating a Telegram group, right? You will be
Yes, sir.
joining in that group. In that group also, we will be adding. Yeah.
Okay.
Chalo.
This is Arun Kumar Vaskar, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a small doubt about regarding this when we are working on Genpact, so uh, past 3 years, so we can join immediately for the experience. This one,
Yeah, you can keep the same Zen pack. If you wanted to resign, you can resign from today and
okay,
practice. If you don't have a money problem, then you can resign. If you have a money problem, after 2 months you resign because last 1 month you have to come out and you need to resign, you need to work more and get a job. Don't worry. Even though you have a 3 months of gap, don't worry.
okay,
Same PF account we can use. Your salary is currently 3 lakhs also. We can get minimum 10 lakhs. I will take
okay,
care of that.
okay, sure, thank you. And
Mm.
one more doubt, we
Mm.
are background commerce background, so nothing
No
to worry
problem.
about.
Pharmacy, BA,
Okay.
BCom, B Pharmacy, nothing to worry. Clear? Yeah.
Okay. So when we are going the live production, okay, and
Hmm.
when we are going the live production, they're difficult not face
The
anything.
difficulty things we have a project, everything we are going to be learning here. So don't worry about it.
Okay, thank
Morning,
you.
Yeah,
Bhaskar sir.
yeah, tell me.
My name is Amir Pasha. I
Yeah.
am now ESS technical. So after completing this like SQL and Power BI,
Yeah.
we can fill the resume and we can upload in Naukri.com after another deadline in July month. So
Yeah.
it
So you
will
can
not
also
be
do like that. After the course, you can upload, but you don't get any calls. Okay. So you need to complete SSIS and Azure, or SSIS or Azure, or both. At least one thing you need to do it, so that you will get more and more calls. Many people are writing in the social media saying that they don't have any Power BI job. That is fake news actually. Power BI jobs are available, but only thing is that people are not learning proper skills. That is where the issue, and they're not getting calls. Yeah, tell me.
And I am 2015 pass out, sir.
Excellent.
And so it will be including that I am taking right now. So after complete, I can.
Yeah. To the any year passed out, I told you, for you, no problem, 100%. I'll help you to get the placement. Okay, with the minimum 10 lakhs or 9.5 minimum, you will be able to get it. So don't worry.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sir, one more thing, sir. I'm living in Hyderabad. In suppose in 50 to office and there any other way on.
Your voice is not clear, Nana. You can just chat
As
with me.
now I'm living in Hyderabad, and
Fine, fine.
I can see your address like Kukatpalli. And supposed to be something happen,
Yeah, you can come down and talk to my people. I will not be there. Only few days I'll be there, because sometimes I'll be there and out of town also. But you can just take an appointment and come to the office. Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Yeah.
సార్ నా పేరు నరేష్, జనగం
Hmm.
దగ్గర సార్ మా విలేజ్. సార్ నాది
Yeah, tell me.
రీసెంట్గా 2021 డిగ్రీ అయిపోయింది సార్, నాది బీఎస్సీ బీజెడ్సీ.
Ah.
సో ఇప్పుడు నేను చేయొచ్చా అంటే
మీరు
ఫ్రెషర్గా?
చేయొచ్చు నాన్న. ఫ్రెషర్ కంపెనీస్ కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. ఐ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు హెల్ప్ యూ. ఓకేనా? సీక్వల్
ఓకే సార్.
నేర్చుకోండి. ఒక 2 people got with 4 lakhs of salary package నాన్న. You can go.
సార్ సీక్వెల్ 2 months నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నా సార్. అంటే కొన్ని వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి, మా బావ ఇచ్చాడు, ఫాలో అవుతున్నా. కొంచెం నేర్చుకున్నా, 70% నేర్చుకున్నా.
నేను కొన్ని కేస్ స్టడీస్ ఇస్తాను. అవి నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్. అదర్వైజ్ యూ నీడ్ టు అగైన్ రీప్రాక్టీస్ ఆఫ్ సీక్వెల్ సర్వర్. సరేనా? యా.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
2019 పాస్డ్ అవుట్ కూడా ఉన్నాయా సార్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ గా?
యా, 2019 వెరీ రేర్, బట్ 20 నుంచి ఉన్నాయి నాన్న. we can try once. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్, ఈ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్? ఆన్లైన్ సపోర్ట్ ఉంటుందా తర్వాత జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత?
So if you need the job support, the dedicated team ఉంటుంది నాన్న. So those people are going to be giving you support. If you need, so they will be charging. Okay, because I cannot give you for 100 people, right? So there's a team ఉంటుంది.
బట్ ఆన్లైన్ ఉంటుందా, లైవ్ ఉంటుందా?
ఆన్లైన్ దే హ్యావ్ ఆఫీస్ ఉంది నాన్న, కూకట్పల్లిలో, ఎక్కడ ఉంది, మియాపూర్లో. యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో గో దేర్ అండ్ టేక్ ద సపోర్ట్.
ఓకే.
చాలా.
హలో సార్, ఇది అబ్జర్వ్ చెప్పారు కదా, సమ్ 25 days అని, అండ్ we got mails from your side also. There is another course like for Azure 45 days something. It is
అందులో
related to that,
you
or
have
else?
a lot of other things will get covered నాన్న. That is something we got Azure had Databricks LATAF ఉన్నాయి కూడా 45 days. అందులో ఒక టాపిక్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ADF, Azure Data Factory. అదొక 20 classes ఉన్నది ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాన్న.
So those 20 classes will be covered in this particular option.
అది ఇంపార్టెంట్, సరిపోతుంది.
సార్ ఇందులో పవర్ బిఐ క్వైరీస్, పవర్ బిఐ యాప్స్ ఇవన్నీ కవర్ అవుతుందా?
పవర్ యాప్స్ వీఆర్ నాట్ కవరింగ్, బట్ డాక్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ కవర్ అవుతుంది నాన్న.
ఓకే. సో SQL లో మన కోడింగ్ చాలా ఉంటుందా? ఐ మీన్
ఒక 20% కోడింగ్ ఉంటుంది మన కంపేర్ విత్ జావా .NET తో.
ఓకే.
10-20%. Any non-IT people can learn that.
Okay, yeah, basically BCom background, that's why I'm asking this.
Correct.
Sir, is this course related to, I mean, experience related, or else normal coaching?
నార్మల్ కోచింగ్ కాదండి, ఇది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పీపుల్ కోసం. సో పీపుల్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ either 0 to 3 years or 0 to 4 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఇది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది కోచింగ్. 0 to 5 years వాళ్ళకి. సరేనా?
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi sir. This is Ishwar. I have totally 7 years of experience in IT industry with ClickView, ClickSense, and SSRS, and only for support project only. I work on support project. So how
Excellent.
7 years experience is it suitable for this Power BI?
100% you can convert at least some 2 to 3 years. You will get much more opportunities. Okay, so don't worry about it, because much more jobs are available in Power BI and Azure and SSIS. Definitely you can easily get into that. Yeah.
Package is not a constant, right?
Package not a constant. What is the package you're getting? 15-20?
No. Currently I'm getting 9 to 10.
9 to 10 means there's a lot of scope for improvement. What is the total years of experience you have?
7 years.
7 years, and approximately you should get 21 to 25 lakhs. Okay. So
Okay,
you
okay.
have 9 to 10 lakhs means it is not at all suitable for your experience. So
Yeah.
it definitely should change. Okay. Na? Yeah. I'll help you to get the higher salary package.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Sir, and also I am working in a marketing company, but we don't have any PF account,
That's
something
fine.
like
I
that.
told you don't need to worry. Okay. Forget about it. I
Okay.
will help you.
Okay, sir.
Hi, sir, good morning. My name is Ravi Kumar. Sir, is there necessary to resign the job after 2 months?
After 2-3 months, if you don't have it, because you need to practice more and more, right? Because if you don't have a patience to practice, then it will become 6 months training.
Yes, sir. But currently I'm working in a MNC company in accounting team,
Then
accounting
if you
job.
don't have a financial problem, and after 60% of the syllabus, you will have a confidence that you can easily crack the job. That time you can decide, okay? Not today.
Yeah, but I have a problem, sir, financial problem.
That's what. You'll take some more time. If you have a financial problem, you will take instead of 3 months, it will take 4 or 5 months. Okay, nothing to
Yeah,
worry.
that's not a problem for me.
Then there's no issue. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, because I have time to practice in the daytime because my shift is
Excellent.
5 to 2 p.m., sir. Evening 5
Excellent.
to morning 2 p.m. 2
Fine.
a.m. Sorry.
That's fine, then. Then you can continue in this. Okay, right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, job support ఇస్తారా ప్లేస్ అయ్యాక?
జాబ్ సపోర్ట్ కావాలంటే మీకు ఇందాకే చెప్పాను కదా, జాబ్ సపోర్ట్ టీమ్ ఉంటుంది. యూ నీడ్ టు కన్సల్ట్ దీస్ నంబర్స్. ఓకేనా? సో దే విల్ గివ్ యూ ద జాబ్ సపోర్ట్ టీమ్ నంబర్స్. వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారన్న. దే విల్ టేక్ సమ్ మంత్లీ అమౌంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. ఓకే.
Okay.
I have one doubt, sir.
Sir, good morning.
We have the syllabus contents. If we practice whatever we have contents like Power BI and SQL and another, and as we have 2 years gap, okay, after degree. So if you try, you said now you have to more practice. There is no need to create an fake experience letter and something. And that's
If you have a gap, you need to put it. If you have 3 years of gap, you need to put it. If you're a 2021 passed out, means you need to have zero experience, and without the documents, you will be able to get into IT industry. Okay, na? Yeah.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. సార్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఒకటి కొందాం అనుకుంటా. క్రోమ్ బుక్ ల్యాప్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుందా సార్? పవర్ బిఐ ఇది SQL ఇన్స్టాల్ క్రోమ్ బుక్ ల్యాప్టాప్ సార్.
క్రోమ్ బుక్ నాకు తెలియదు అండి. అది ఒకసారి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ అంటే చూసిన పెట్టండి.
సార్ నేను లింక్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేస్తా సార్ చాట్ లో. ఒక్కసారి
నాకు దీంట్లో పంపించు. గో ఆన్లైన్ బాసర్ పంపించి నేను చూస్తాను. సరేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
చలో.
Good morning, sir.
యా, చలో.
Sir, after listening to your demo class, I have only doubt like you are the only a trainer and any other faculty will be allocated for us.
No other faculty. I am the completely for this module, some whatever they are teaching. Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, I'm 2019 passed out, sir. Later on, I'm working with one MNC as a French associate analyst. So, can I convert this experience?
Yeah. Why not? You can easily convert.
Okay.
I'll help you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Tell me.
Sir, Power BI link ఇస్తారా ఏమన్నా? అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి ఇట్లా.
I will give you the software link. Fourth class lo will install the softwares and everything in your laptops. Okay. So the link I'll be giving, the softwares I'll be giving, so that you can download and install. I'll show you how to install the softwares also in your laptop. Okay. Fourth class will be that. After demos, the immediate class will be with that.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
So I am going to buy a laptop. Can you please suggest better specification?
Any i3, i5 laptop, Nana. So since you're asking me the laptop, any i5 laptop or i3 laptop, you can buy it. Okay, na?
Okay.
So minimum of 4 GB of RAM, you buy it.
Okay.
I recommend Lenovo because I'm using Lenovo. My laptop, cost is 35 lakhs, 35,000. Okay, Lenovo 35,000 rupees. So minimum, you go in for 128 SSD hard disk. Okay, so this will be fast, 128 or more than that.
Okay, sir.
If you have a 1 terabyte hard disk, that is fine, but this is important. So when you have this, it will be faster. So it will take another 2000 rupees extra if you don't have it. 35 plus K. Okay. Na? So the compulsorily you need to have a Windows 10 or later. That is the Windows only. Clear? You cannot have
Okay.
Windows 8, Windows 9. So only these specifications.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, we can use also desktop, right?
Yeah, if you don't have a laptop, use the desktop. Same configuration. If you need the desktop, 20K it will be.
Okay.
Okay. So desktop.
సార్ హలో సార్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర అంటే ఓల్డ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంది, అది AMD ప్రాసెసర్, సో అది సపోర్ట్
ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు నాన్న, బట్ 10 కానీ 11 కానీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి మీరు. అదే కాకపోతే మనం ఉపయోగించుకోలేము.
అందులో 10 ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింది సార్. నేను ఆల్రెడీ 10 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను, విండోస్ 10 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను.
దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు 11 కి చేయగలవేమో చూడు. 11 కి చేయగలవేమో చూడు. దెన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్క్. యా.
ఓకే, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు 10 ఆర్ 11 సార్ ఇప్పుడు పవర్ BI వర్కింగ్ అనేది?
ఇది చెయ్యి.
హలో,
విండోస్ 11 చేయండి. విండోస్ 11 చెయ్యి.
ఓకే.
చలో గైస్, టుమారో విల్ మీట్ విత్ ద సేమ్ మీటింగ్ ఐడి. బాయ్. చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్ మెడికల్ కోడింగ్ జాబ్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్ ప్రెసెంట్. ఆల్రెడీ రిజైన్ చేశాను. 2 months నోటీస్ పీరియడ్ ఉంది సార్.
బ్రహ్మాండంగా మీరు వచ్చేసేయండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. We will be able to help you. Don't worry అన్నాను. సరేనా?
ఓకే.
Chalo, Anna. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tomorrow, same meeting ID. Thank you. Bye-bye. So everybody has to fill this form, Nana. Good done. So this is mandatory so that you will get the discounted prices. Thank you, Nana. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes,